In this video, I'll show you how to clear cache on iPhone. I will show you for Safari, Chrome, and for apps. First, start with Safari. Step 1. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Safari. Step 2. Tap Clear History and Website Data and confirm to remove cached data. Then for Chrome, open the Chrome app, tap the three-dot menu at the bottom right and select Settings. Then tap Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data, select Data Types and Clear Cache. For apps, open the Settings and tap General, then iPhone Storage to see your app list. Select an app and tap Offload App to clear cache but keep app data. And that is how you clear the cache on your iPhone on Safari, Chrome and individual apps. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.